of the scars and all the polished parts of me make me. Um, and to fully grasp that and to finally be able to zoom out and see yourself in that perspective, I think allows you for easier growth in the future. Because once you understand the process, once you understand that bad things happen to good people, or bad things happen to anyone, along with good things, and that, there is some sort of yin and yang, light and dark, that you just embrace the journey and you're never a finished product.